We are looking at a very dangerous severe weather setup today. This is going to be a quick video because I want to hop on stream right after I post this to cover it live. When it comes to tornadoes today, we have a 10 to 15% hatch risk for tornadoes. This includes almost all of Wisconsin, central to southern Minnesota, almost all of Iowa, northeastern Kansas, northern Missouri, and northwestern Illinois. Although far eastern Nebraska could get involved as well. And you can see we have a much larger 2 to 5% risk zone for tornadoes stretching all the way down into western Texas. For those of you who don't know, when you see an hatched area, that means that weather could be significant. So this is our tornado outlook. We could see violent EF2, EF3 plus tornadoes that are long track, meaning they're on the ground for a long period of time. You can see here as well, we have a large 15 to 30% risk for hail, a lot of which is hatched, meaning 2, 3, 4-inch plus hail is not off the table here. And while we have a large wind risk zone for everyone out here, central to southern Minnesota and central to northern Wisconsin have the highest chances for severe wind. We're also watching this portion of north central Texas as well. And for those of you down here, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, just because you're not in that 10 to 15% tornado risk doesn't mean you shouldn't take this seriously. I think there's a pretty good chance we're gonna see spin-ups down here. But everyone in these shaded areas needs to stay weather alert today. We have seen our HRRR model uptrend, meaning it's looking more severe than it was yesterday. The HRRR model is seeing some potential long track supercells starting in northeastern Kansas all the way up through Wisconsin. And a lot of this thunderstorm activity and convection in Iowa was not even showing up on the models yesterday. They really thought we'd have an issue with forcing in some of these areas and that the cap just would not break to produce thunderstorms. That is already looking wrong because we already have some thunderstorm activity in this region as we speak. And by the way, a lot of this is going to be late afternoon into the evening hours, including down here through portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, where we are also seeing some potential supercell activity. And looking a little bit ahead at tomorrow, we do have a 2% tornado risk for portions of New York, PA, and Ohio, and a slightly larger 5% through portions of northern central Texas, with a 2% tornado risk stretching up through portions of Oklahoma, including Tulsa and Oklahoma City, and then into portions also you can see there of Arkansas and southwestern Missouri. Our greatest wind threat looks to be focused around where that tornado threat is as well, as you can see here. And we do have a 30% hatch risk for hail tomorrow down here in Texas. And the 15% hatched hail risk also stretches through Tulsa and Oklahoma City, as you can see here. So yes, tomorrow is looking very active as well. Just look at this future radar from the HRRR. You can see a long line of storms all the way down from Texas, pushing all the way up into Vermont, maybe even New Hampshire. For those of you who don't know, my Discord, Connor's Climate Corner HQ, is updating all of this information live throughout the day. All of my members on YouTube and subs on TikTok do get access to the Discord. I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every day and I stream every night. I'll see you in the next video.